Hi families, it's Miss Ty. This language lesson is for all students, so let's get started. Hi friends! Can you tell, where am I? Where am I? I am at school. I am in our class. Hey, what do you see? What do I see? I see our toy closet. Do you know why I see our toy closet? I see our toy closet because today we are going to have Playdate. Today, for Playdate, one of our choices is the pink castle. Another choice is the dinosaurs and trucks. Our last choice today is our pet carrier. I'm going to start with the dollhouse first. What should I put in our dollhouse? What should I put in the dollhouse? Oh, okay. What should I put in the dollhouse? I should put the bed in the dollhouse. I'm going to put the bed in the bedroom. Where did I put the bed? Where did I put the bed? I put the bed in the bedroom. Let me see. Where should I put the cradle? I'm going to put the cradle in the baby's room. Where did I put the cradle? I put the cradle in the baby's room. Where did I put the cradle? I put the cradle in the baby's room. Who should I put in the castle? Let me look. Oh, I know. I'm going to put the daddy. I'm going to put the daddy on the couch. Look at that. Who is sitting on the couch? Who is sitting on the couch? Daddy is sitting on the couch. Where is Daddy sitting? Where is Daddy sitting? Daddy is sitting on the couch. All right, I finished playing with the pink castle. When I am finished, I have to clean up. Now I put everything back in the tub. I cleaned up. Now that I cleaned up, I can choose another toy. Oh, I'm going to play with the dinosaurs and the trucks. Let me see. Who should I put in the truck? Should I put the man with the hat or the man with no hat? Oh, I'll put the man with the hat. I'm going to put the man with the hat in the truck. Where did I put the man with the hat? Where did I put the man with the hat? I put the man with the hat in the truck. Wait, did I put in the truck? Who did I put in the truck? I put the man with the hat. All right, I'm going to use the other guy. We're going to put him on the top. And then, I'm going to turn him. Let's see what happens. Wrong way. Let me turn him. Oh, there we go. Now, I'm going to put something in the back of the truck. I'm going to put something in the back of the truck. What should I put in the back of the truck? Should I put the Triceratops, or should I put the T-Rex? What should I put in the truck? Should I put the Triceratops, or should I put the T-Rex? I'm going to put the Triceratops. What did I put in the truck? What did I put in the truck? I put the Triceratops. I'm going to close him in the cage. Oh, gotta push hard, close him in the cage. And then I'm going to close it up and oh, wait. Where did the guy with the hat and the Triceratops go? Where did they go? Where did the guy with the hat and the Triceratops go? They went to the pink castle. Where did they go? To the pink castle. All right, let's clean up. I got to put the dinosaurs back in the tub. Got to put the guys back. Oh, he doesn't go there. If I mess up, I need to put him where he goes. He goes with the truck. I need to get the Triceratops out of the truck. Oh, can you see him? Come on, Triceratops. It's your turn to come out. There we go. Then I'm going to clean up. And now that I've cleaned up, I can make another choice. Look. Next, I'm going to play with the pet carrier. I want to open him up and see what is inside the pet carrier. What is inside the pet carrier? There are animals inside the pet carrier. Let's get them out and look. The cat was in the pet carrier. Oh, and look. The dog was in the pet carrier. What was in the pet carrier? What was in the pet carrier? The cat and the dog were in the pet carrier. Where were the cat and the dog? The cat and the dog were in the pet carrier. All right, let's check on the cat and the dog. Let's see how they're doing. Oh, let me put this on the cat. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. The cat has been washing her hands. She has been keeping her germs to herself. She is healthy. She is not sick because she has been washing her hands. All right, let's check on the dog. Boom, 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 boom. Look, the dog is healthy. The dog is not sick. He has been washing his hands. He has been keeping his germs to himself. Wow, I like the way the cat and the dog have been staying healthy. They have been washing their hands. All right, let's get ready to clean up. All right, friends. Playdate is almost over. It will be time for us to clean up. Everyone listening for the bell? Listening for the bell? All right, boys and girls, Playdate is over. Everyone cleaning up. Let me open our closet. If you would bring your toys over and put them on the shelf. Thank you. All right, getting all the toys. Remember, after Playdate, we always clean up and put our toys away. All right, friends. Last thing we're going to get right here and put it on the shelf. All right. Thank you so much for joining me for Playdate today. I cannot wait until we are together again, and then we can have Playdate together, and you can make your own choices. I love you, and I miss you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.